It's Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Friday, March the 21st, and in today's short, quick video, we'll be taking a look at crypto to see what's happening. But before we dive in too deep, I do have to hit you guys with this nice little legal disclaimer. Alright, guys, remember this channel is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content, and you should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. As you guys can see, everything's pretty much trading sideways over here. We got Bitcoin going for 84,000, Ethereum 1900, XRP 241, Binance Coin 636, Solana 129, Cardano 71 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, and Tron 23 cents. So as you guys can see over here on TradingView, a lot of sideways movement over here, guys. A lot of sideways movement over here on the daily chart. So Bitcoin's not doing too much, but this does give you guys, the savvy investor, the opportunity to accumulate before the next big run up, right? Because we know that things are going to happen to Bitcoin, guys, right? So we got Michael Saylor over here. He's predicting that Bitcoin is going to hit 13 million in 20 years, guys. As you guys can see, this is Michael Saylor right here. If you're not familiar with this guy, he's pretty big in crypto. He owns this company, and the company owns like a lot of Bitcoin. So the guy knows a thing or two about Bitcoin, right? So at the end of the day, he's saying that and these are quotes right here. I can stand here and I can tell you that I think the price of Bitcoin will go to 13 million over 20 years. Okay, I couldn't say that about a security, right? Saylor declared, highlighting Bitcoin's legal status as a commodity rather than a security. Okay, Saylor stressed that Bitcoin is the only asset immune to human corruption, referring to its origin as a product of what he calls an immaculate conception. Unlike traditional commodities, guys, like gold or oil, which can be extracted in greater quantities when prices rise, you guys know Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it the ultimate store of value. So at the end of the day, guys, I couldn't agree more with what Michael Saylor said over here. This guy's a pretty smart guy, and he's also hinting that the U.S. is gonna buy 1 million Bitcoin. Right? So, guys, if you're not in the markets yet, I don't know what else to tell you. Even Pakistan has officially they're coming into crypto too, guys. They have legalized cryptocurrency in Pakistan. So if you're not with this movement yet, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, guys. It's 2025. The market is still pretty small. It's only worth 2.6 trillion. When you compare that to other markets in the world, other markets are worth like over 110 trillion, right? So if you add up all these companies, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, all these companies, that's over 112 trillion, whereas crypto is only 2.6 trillion. So that shows you that you're still pretty early to this. Granted, you're not buying Bitcoin when it's worth, $500-600, or maybe a few of you got in that early and a few of you held, but it's honestly going to be hard. If you bought something at $500 and you saw it go up to 1,000, you just doubled your money. So most people would have sold that. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, guys, we're still early with a lot of these assets over here. Bitcoin has a bright future. I believe XRP has a good future. Solana. I believe a few coins over here have a good future, like Chainlink, Stellar. There's this one as well. This coin over here. What's it called? How do you say this coin? The Avalanche coin. Sorry, guys, I can barely speak today, but yeah, Avalanche. That one should have a good future as well. And at the end of the day, here, guys, there's a lot of good coins here. Let's see. There's gonna be a few dead ones. I don't think much is gonna happen with like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash. But at the end of the day, if you're careful and if you make some good investments, Bitcoin, XRPs, Stellar, Solana, projects that are actually solid, you know what I'm saying? And not just like some meme coin, because a lot of you guys will try to get rich on meme coins, but a lot of you guys will end up getting wrecked. And at the end of the day, guys, if you just bought some Bitcoin and held on to it for 10, 20 years, that's probably going to be the best investment that you guys can make. So that's what I would do, guys. Like if somebody's asking me like, hey, crypto bro, how can I make money with crypto in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years and have it be low risk? I will just tell them this, guys. Like, click the link in the YouTube description. Gonna take you to Coinbase and just buy Bitcoin and just hold your Bitcoin, hold it in an offline wallet, and make sure you know what you're doing and make sure you back up your seed phrase. And at the end of the day, guys, it's those savvy investors that are patient. Those investors, those of you are gonna make a lot of money, guys. So at the end of the day, guys, let's see over here. Pull up Bitcoin on a yearly chart. You guys see this? Look at this, guys. This is some pretty explosive growth, guys. Watch this. It's over 200% there. I kind of messed that up. Let's see. Let me go back over here. As you guys can see, that's 204% in 2 years. So if you compare that to the largest company in the world by market cap, which happens to be Apple, I'm going to show you guys. Bitcoin is beating Apple on a 2-year chart. So Apple is over here only doing 56%. So guys, do your own research, but Bitcoin looks pretty solid. And there's a lot of people saying they can do some crazy, crazy numbers. I was going to predict 500,000-600,000 in a couple years, but we might as well zoom out of a couple years and we might as well zoom into a couple decades. And think about this, guys. What if you bought one Bitcoin now and held on to it for 20 years and then you had 10, 12 million in 20 years? What could that do for you or your family? That could set you up for some generational type of wealth. So, you know what I'm saying, guys? Do your own research, but I think Bitcoin has a bright future. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Crypto Bro signing out.